So this video is probably not going to have a script because I'm just going to be saying this off the top of my head. And this has to do with the subject of making money online. One of the most trending topics on search engines is how to make money online. How to make money online. How to make money online fast. How to make money online in 2025. Guys, I have the answer right here for you. So if you are one person that has been asking Google, ChatGPT, YouTube, this one, that one, this question, you should stick around on this video. I'm going to be breaking down everything for you. I'm going to just put it there plainly. A lot of times we don't get to hear this enough. A lot of times this is not said explicitly or put in plain sight for people to see. But see, if you want to make money online in 2025, you have to be selling something. Sell something. I don't care what it is. You can decide to sell a physical product. You can decide to sell a digital product. You can decide to go into sales of anything from jewelry to hair to clothing to whatever. You can also choose to go into creation of ebooks, online courses, softwares, applications if you're a tech person, so many things. But the bottom line is that you have to be able to sell something. And then even another thing too that you can sell is an audience. So you can focus on building a personal brand with a very large following and sell and monetize that audience, like sell it. What do I mean by that? Like somebody can literally tell you, okay, you know what, I have this product that I want to sell. Can you help me to advertise on your platform? Of course, you're not going to be doing that for free. Mark Zuckerberg and the rest of them and Google and all that, they don't do that for free. They charge you money if you want to show your product to their audience. So that's something you can also do on your own platform as well, on your own social media page, right? So you've built a massive audience, then you can actually leverage on that audience to monetize and make money. So you charge somebody, they pay you money, and then you push that person's product to your audience for them to buy and everything. So 2025 is a year to sell. 2025 and beyond, just sell something. As far as I'm concerned, the only people that are making a lot of money and are rich today are people that are selling one thing or the other. It's that simple. And on this my channel, I've actually made different videos on physical products that you can start selling, physical businesses you can get into, digital products that you can also get into, right? So go back and watch these videos, maybe the last 3 videos on my channel. Just go back and watch them. You will get a lot of ideas on what kind of business you can start. Whether it is online business, I have videos for that. Whether it is a physical business, I have videos for that. They also give you a breakdown of how much is involved in getting started with each of those businesses. So you can go ahead to make your pick, do further research on it, and then get started. But guys, like I said, the most important thing is actually selling something online. Most times when people want to talk about this thing, they'll say, go and learn a skill. The only reason why you're learning a skill is so you can sell it as a service. So you either sell a skill as a service or you sell a skill as a product, but sure, everybody sells something. Recently I was going through Dan Lock's page. If you know Dan Locks, he's like a very fantastic salesman that he has been on the YouTube space for a very long time. So I was going through Dan Locks YouTube page, and I saw that in as much as Dan Lok is already a rich person, Dan Lok is making money from his YouTube videos ordinarily. Right? So that is also something that you can do. Like you come online and share your knowledge, and once you are able to get the requirements, you can get monetized and start making money based off of that knowledge that you have. What are you doing? You're selling your knowledge to make money. So anyways, that is not even where I'm going to. So I checked Dan Lok's page, and for some reason I landed on his website. I was going through his website and I saw that this man has lots of products that he was selling, and they are all digital products. Do you know that this man was selling things like stickers, maybe like Dan Lok sticker, very little things that you wouldn't even see as a big deal, wallpapers and all, right? Then he also had courses on, okay, if you want to start social media, how to get started with social media, how to build a personal brand, how to sell, how to generate leads, how to close sales. Now, some of these products are priced at maybe $6. The stickers, I think, are probably around $6. Then he has products that are maybe $50, $60. He has products that are $90 something, $99. He has $190 something, $290 something, and then he has $1,000 products, $2,000 products, $5,000 products. Guys, This man has products depending on what the particular service that you're looking for. If you want to maybe borrow his brain or learn from him for 1 hour, there is a particular amount to that. I don't know if it's $5,000 or $10,000. If you want him to probably come to your company to sit down with you maybe for a whole day, right? There is also a package for that. So I looked at it and I was like, wow. So this man just sits in his house and money will literally be coming into his account. That's the good thing about digital products. You just have to create that product once and you can sell it for as long as you want to sell. Even after you are no longer on it, that product can still be selling as long as your website is still up. So people can go online, discover your products and buy them. You don't have to meet with them. You don't have to interact with them. You don't have to do anything, but they will still buy your product. And guess what, guys? This is the secret of the richest people that you can ever think of. Let's come back to Nigeria. Let's look at the richest people that we know that are making waves right now. If you want to mention people like Dangote, what does Dangote sell? Dangote sells cement, salt, sugar, period. Do you know how much Dangote sells from cement, from sugar, from salt, and all the other products that he possibly has? The only reason why he's making a lot of money is because he's making a lot of sales. And this is going to bring me to also talk about volume, right? So if you have a product that you're selling and only one or two persons are buying, of course, you're not going to make a lot of money. Look at people like Tony Lumelu, Otedola. If you look at all of them, they are all selling one thing or the other. See, even the company that you're working in, they are selling something. Either it's a physical product, it's a service, it's a digital product, whatever. They are sure selling something. That's the reason why they make money. So start thinking about it now. Like, what do you have that you can sell? Is it a physical product? Is it a digital product? Is it a skill that you can sell as a service? Let's talk about digital products now that you can sell. If you're a social media manager, if you're a content writer, of course, you have a skill to sell as a service and make money out of. Now, you can also sell physical products. So things like hair, like jewelry, like clothes, stuff like that, right? You can sell anything and make your money out of it. Once you have discovered a product that you want to sell, the next thing you want to do is to also, sit down and press your calculator. Like if I'm selling a product and the profit margin on that product is 5,000 naira, for instance, how many of these products do I need to sell to be able to make 500,000? How many of these products do I need to sell to be able to make 1 million naira? How many of these products do I need to sell to be able to make 200,000 naira? How much can I make in a month? How much can I make per week? How many sales can I make per day? These are the questions that you ask yourself. And once you start asking yourself those questions, you will definitely come up with answers and you can start from there. But see, stop going, online every day and looking for how to make money online, If you watch this video, just have it at the back of your mind that if you want to make money, you have to sell something. That has been like the secret of the ages. You have to sell something. So ask yourself, what are you selling? Most times, let me tell you this, guys. Let me tell you this secret, right? Most times, what we average people sell is our time. Listen to that again. What average people sell is their time. If you are a 9 to 5 worker, you are a freelancer, what you are literally doing mostly is selling your time. But guess what? Rich people don't sell their time. Instead, they even buy other people's time to add to their own, because guess what? You're only one human being. There is only so much that you can do, and you have very limited time. So rich people know this, and they don't sell their time. Instead, they will buy how much of their time worth. Okay, 100,000 naira. So you get a job and they tell you your salary is 100,000 naira. But how much does your time worth? Oh, it's 500,000 naira. Oh, it's 1.5 million. No, it's 1.2 million. Okay, fine. Pay him 1.2 million naira. Let him come and work for me. You've bought that person's time. You've bought an extra 24 hours to add to your own. So if you imagine a company that has like 100 staff strength. That is like 100 times 24 hours. That is 2,400 hours that the owner of that business has bought to add to his own time. Meanwhile, you just sold your own. If you want to become rich, you have to understand that you are not going to become rich just by focusing on selling your time. You have to have a product that you sell, be it physical, be it digital, that you sell that makes you money on a daily basis. In fact, one of the things that you want to do is, when you start making money or when you start selling, is to have, the mindset of making or selling every single day, like having a daily alert. having a product that gives you daily alert. If you're still watching this, my dear, just go and research, like, okay, what can I start selling? That's the next question you should be asking yourself. What can I start selling? What volume should I be pushing for? How much do I want to make? How much you want to make is going to determine the volume that you want to aim for. So if you know that you have to sell 1,000 units of your product to make 1 million naira every month, then the next thing you want to ask is, how many people do I have to sell to make 1 million naira? How long do I have to sell to make this 1 million naira? Can I make it in 1 month? Is it 2 months? Is it 3 months? Is it 1 week? You start asking yourself those questions, and trust me, you will start getting the answers. What you need to do, how you need to do it, start meeting this goal that you have. So yeah, that is that about that. I don't want to make this video extra long, so I'm just going to cut it here. If you've watched up to this point, then it definitely means that you like this video. Please go ahead to smash the like button. Also subscribe to my channel, so whenever I make videos like this, you'll be one of the first persons to get notified. Hit on the bell notification so that can also be possible. All right guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.